What if I told you the entire cinematic sequence you just watched was built from one single prompt? Most AI tools just storyboard angles, but InVideo Vision is totally a category shift. It actually understands how a story unfolds, and it took my idea and instantly generated a consistent 9 shot visual world. And the brutal truth, this should not be free, but it is exactly free. Yes, you heard it right. This tool is absolutely free, and you're getting a full cinematic narrative for zero credits now. And I'm going to show you how I extracted these shots and used advanced model like Kling 2.6 right inside this in video to bring the whole story to life. So finally, link you will get in the description, and after clicking on the link, just you have to log in or sign up, and then this will be the interface in front of you. So just on the screen, as you can see that feature called in video vision, and it is absolutely free. So just click on it and again select the vision here, and you get plenty of options here. Now we will explore it step by step. Now let's go with this board option. Just click on it and then click on new project and create your project. You can name it anything. So I am just naming it like AI cinematic film, and then just click on create project, and this will be the interface. So basically you have to enter your imagination or just a single prompt here. Your whole story will be generated from here. You can change your exact ratio. I am keeping it 16 is to 9, and you get plenty of models here, but you don't have to do anything with that. So as you can see, I have just entered a random single line prompt. Look at this very much neatly. I have just entered a single line random prompt, and now let's see what will I get. So basically the generation has been started and the output is in front of you, and literally this is mind blowing. Just look at the all the images in 3 by 3 grid, and you can see the character consistency is so perfect with just single prompt. This AI tool is capable of generating the storyboard like this is so rare and awesome. And even though you have to download this image, I have also downloaded, as you can see. And finally we are done with fixing our storyboard. Now the next step will be extracting the shots. So you have to just click on that feature again and just go on vision and then select extract shot. So basically what we'll do is we'll just upload a selected storyboard images here, and we will now extract each and every image from the storyboard. So just you can follow me. As you can see, now I have to extract the shot one from the attached image. What I'll do is I'll just click on this unlimited option and I'll just turn it off, and then you have to simply click on generate. So it's like after the image has been uploaded here, then you can just click on it, the generate option, and in the same way you have to extract each and every shot. So I will do the same in this, and let's compare the image consistency to whether the images are same or not. And just look at the first shot; it is exactly same, and this is where this tools plays a major role. And in the same way I'm extracting each and every shot, as you can see on the screen, and it becomes much easier after extracting the shot. So what we have to do is we have to just animate this images turn into video, and hence all image we have extracted, and now I'm finally downloading it. Now we have done most of the easy part here. Now just imagine, even though you have just built your storyboard, each and everything, but what if you have to change the camera angle, right? Because it does matter a lot. So in this section I'll show you how you can even change the camera angle. So let's imagine this is my image and I have to change the camera angle for this. So what I'll do is I'll just click on this option. I'll again go in vision, and then I'll select the angle option here. Like just imagine, you don't even have to brief any of the thing. You have to just upload the image in which you have to change the angle of the camera, and then it's all easy without even prompt. It will give you the 9 different angles in 3 by 3 grid of the image which you have uploaded. This is something like most useful and most easy to. So just look at this, how much awesome he has generated the angles. And what we'll do is just select the shot which you like the most, and we will just use that extract option in the same way like we extracted pics from the storyboard. So just this workflow you have to keep it in mind. You have to generate the storyboard first. It will generate in 9 shots, like 3 into 3 grid, and the image whichever you will like, you have to just extract it, and then I'll show you how you can animate it further. So this was the most crucial and important step which we have done. And as you can see, now I'm showing you the extracted shot too. So I have just uploaded that storyboard recent camera angle changed image, and I am extracting the shot 3. And in the same way you can also carry on the same process too. Now after downloading all the pics, what I'll do is I'll just arrange them neatly in the folder so that it will become more easy for us while we are turning that pics into the whole video, so to make our workflow and the process easier. So make sure that you are also just arranging them neatly in the sequence in any folder so that it will be easy for you. Now finally we have the images, we have pasted it in the folder, and now it's time to convert the each and every image into the video. So after clicking on this option, you get plenty of models here, and I'm selecting Kling 2.6 because it is the recent one. So next what you have to do is just you have to upload the image, and then you can paste that image on ChatGPT and tell him to provide you the animation prompt for it to convert it into image to video for Kling 2.6. So finally, I have just followed this procedure. I have copy pasted the prompt from the chat GPT after uploading the image there. And as you can see, finally the generation has been started. And finally, this is what the video looks like. So I have just taken few of the best of the clips to show you how we can animate it. In this way, you can animate the whole stuff and just look at the clarity and each and everything. Even this Kling 2.6 model is the recent upgraded model, and it also have added the voice automatically. So in the same way, I am uploading the another image, and I have pasted that image in the chat GPT first and then asked him to give me the prompt to convert that image into the video using Kling 2.6 model. And then ChatGPT gave me the prompt, and I'm just pasting that prompt given by ChatGPT here. So this is the exact workflow which you have to follow to create any of the cinematic AI movie with the help of just single
Oh, no! Oh, no! Oh, no!
This model is so awesome and it is absolute crazy. Like, just imagine with two lines of the prompt, this model has inserted even audio with converting the image into video too. So this is literally impressive. And again, I am generating one of the video again using the image which I have uploaded, and let's see what kind of video does it generate. So the best model to turn your image into the video for this AI cinematic workflow is this Kling 2.6, and you will find it in InVideo. The link is in the description, and trust me, nobody will able to say that the whole video AI cinematic film is created by this software, and this is literally mind blowing. And in this way you can create any of your AI cinematic films. Just keep in your mind that first generate the storyboard, then extract the shots, then change the camera angles if you want, as I shown you in this tutorial, and then finally turn your that extracted shots into the videos using Kling 2.6 all in one place in video. And after that, just download all your shots, and what you have to do is you have to just open any of the video editor and then just add all these clips together, attach them, and then export. And finally, that's what the real video looks like.
Oh, no!